Well, starting our last day, and it's the last time on our TV screen we get to see Good Morning Disney Wonder. There is our cruise director and our assistant cruise director telling us what's going on for the day. But we are in Nassau, Bahamas. We're actually staying on the boat because we love the boat more than we love Nassau, to be quite honest with you. We're gonna do some sitting in the sunshine, we're gonna do some swimming in the pool, we're gonna do some adult beverages and just some relaxation on our last day here on the Disney Wonder. We're also doing some crafts. We're gonna play some bingo, we think. And today, the show we are seeing is, it's the one we're most excited about. It's Frozen. It's the new spectacular they built just for Disney Wonder. We get to see it. I wish I could show you guys the shows. They are unbelievable, but obviously no video recording. Anyway, good morning, Disney Wonder. So I'm not sure what they're doing with their lifeboats, but I hope they bring them back. I mean, I hope we don't need them, but if we do, it'd be fun that they were on the boat instead of being just taken for joyrides around Nassau. Sherry, what book are you reading?
Mansfield Park.
Sherry finished the book that she brought with her last night. So we borrowed a book from the little library here, and Sherry's gonna read it. Here we are in Nassau. We're at the very front of the boat, and there's a lighthouse right out there at the end of the area that the ships come into. So now we're out here on the back of the boat. We are backed in, whereas some of the ships you can see are pulled front ways in. And right over there is the world famous Atlantis Resort. We've heard great things about that. Maybe someday we'll actually get off the boat and go do that, but we kind of like the boat. Just kind of a view of some of the harbor area here. It is certainly pretty. So we are doing a 3D craft project on board. I am doing Mickey Mouse. Sherry, who are you doing?
Minnie Mouse.
Sherry's doing Minnie Mouse, and let's see whose turns out better. Hint, probably Sherry's.
You having fun?
I am having fun. I'm realizing that I'm just horrible at cutting straight lines. Just terrible. So all of my Mickey pieces are cut out, all of Sherry's Minnie pieces are cut out. Now we're gonna use some glue dots and start to assemble. Because your crafts always turn out better when you're drinking Mai Tais while doing art. Right, Sherry? So I don't wanna brag, but I just finished my Mickey, and I gotta say, that feels like world-class level artwork to me. Why did you laugh at that? Sherry's just finishing her Minnie up, and then we will judge and see who wins. So, these are the finished projects. Who wins? And the vote is in, and the winner is Mickey. I win.
Yay!
Sorry, the vote is in. Grabbing a quick afternoon snack since we kind of have a long break between meals. I got pineapple, this ham and bacon sandwich that looks awesome. Sherry, you went with Pinocchio's Pizza. How is it?
Good.
Pinocchio's Pizza. I think I said Pinocchio's. Maybe that's the Italian pronunciation. So final night of our Disney Wonder cruise. But Sherry, what are we about to see?
Frozen.
This is
musical spectacular.
This is the newest show on any Disney ship. The reviews are unbelievable. First of all, Frozen obviously is a great movie. So we've heard that it snows in the theater during the show. So we're gonna go watch Frozen.
Very excited.
There's Sherry's purple hair. It's bingo time. Are you excited? Yes.
We're starting in the G column with G52. G5 and a 2, G52.
Have we won yet?
How was it? So good or no?
Are we about to win $10,000? Here we go. This is the winner.
Number 12.
Oh, mwah, mwah.
Oh, you guys have time to say.
Tonight we are having dinner in Animator's Palette. This is where we did the Frozen meet and greet. So this is the menu at Animator's Palette. Appetizers, soups and salads. And these are the main courses. You'll see a great selection. This is the bread and dipping sauce for tonight. The sauce is oils and crushed rosemary. So you'll notice the whole restaurant right now is black and white. Our server just told us that throughout the dinner, everything in here will change gradually to color, kind of showcasing, again, animation and the history of animation with Walt Disney. The little bread knives look like little painter's brushes. And then these are the table markers here at our table. Pretty awesome. Sherry, do you love it? Final glasses from our bottle of wine. Cheers. For the appetizer, I got the Serrano ham. It's got some cheese with that and then a toasted baguette. Sherry got the black truffle pasta percettes. Those look amazing. For the soup course tonight, I got the baked potato and cheese soup. And Sherry went with the butternut squash soup. For the main course, I got the penne bolognese and Sherry got the same thing. It comes with garlic bread, looks delicious and filling and meaty, wonderful goodness. These are the desserts and animators palettes. I'm thinking that I might go for that cookies and cream sundae, I think. Now we're starting to see the drawings on the wall come to life. What were just still black and white drawings are now starting to animate. I did in fact do the cookies and cream sundae. It looks amazing with the chocolate Mickey Mouse there. But look how good Sherry's looks. She got the lemon icebox pie. That looks amazing. And now you'll see we're starting to have color added to the photos on the wall. Very, very cool. There's Dory over there. Uh-oh. Something's happening.
Live in a palace and never have any problems at all. I'm tired of taking. I want to make things. I want to add something to this world. Days.
So this is the Till We Meet Again party. It's kind of the going away party here on the Disney Wonder.
What do you say to bring us some of our very special friends to see you one last time? Come on, come on. Daisy down. Blue. We've got Goofy in the background. Captain Hook and of course Stitch. And we can't forget our beautiful princesses. We have Cinderella, Ariel, Belle.
So in the course of about 10 minutes, we just met Donald here, Daisy over there, Captain Hook right there, and Stitch over in that corner. When can you ever meet that many characters in that short of a time?
First wave, give everybody a special wave of that. From all of us to all of you, till we meet again.
Because we love you.
With a little bit of Pixie Dust and Tinkerbell, but we never say goodbye to Mickey Mouse, right? We just say see you real soon. So on the count of 3, I need everybody's help and say see you real soon. 1, 2, 3. Wow, there we go. Thank you so much. The mastering manner of the ship right there. We'll see you real soon, Mickey. So folks, thank you so much. As I said, it truly has been our pleasure to host you over the last 4 days. We hope you've had as much fun as we have, and we do hope you come back and see us again real soon. Good night, folks.
And for the final time this cruise, we're back in our room. The towel animal reveal. Oh, it is an elephant, I think. What do you think, an elephant? Or I actually think it's a brontosaurus. Okay, it's probably not a
I
brontosaurus.
feel like this is a tail.
You feel like that's a tail and that's the head?
I'm not really sure.
But if that's the head, it's an awesome brontosaurus.
Oh, sure. I think that might be it.
Let's go with brontosaurus. So one of our fish extender gifts we received was this Disney Wonder magnetic dry erase board. You'll see on our first night we wrote, "Laughter is timeless. Imagination has no age. Dreams are forever." Quote by Walt Disney. Sorry, I smudged this. And then we just wrote below it, "Where are you from?" Put this on the outside of our stateroom door, and then people who walked by, some of them wrote their information. So when people stop by our room, of course, we're from Anchorage, Tampa, Florida, Orlando, Australia, England, Argentina, and Greenville, South Carolina. It's kind of awesome. Why, I really liked getting this dry erase board. I think we will keep this and use it on future cruises. So final night of our Disney cruise, our second Disney cruise. Sherry, how was this?
It was fun.
It was fun. It was just what I wanted it to be. Relaxing.
Got to meet a bunch of characters.
Got to meet characters. Just a fun day. A fun cruise. What highlight of the entire cruise?
Honestly, I think the show, either Frozen, which was amazing, or the show at dinner tonight.
Yeah,
awesome.
Animator's Palette was awesome. Highlight of the entire cruise for me, probably just relaxing. Also the fact that I think I ended up eating ice cream 10 times over the last 4 days. That's not even a joke,
Not
10
bad.
times. That's how you know you've had a good vacation, when you eat ice cream 10 times.
Yeah.
It was just a blast. It was relaxing. We got to unplug. Yeah. We could leave the room and leave our phones behind and not even care. Met some really cool people. Just a fun trip. I love cruising with Disney, and I cannot wait to go on our next Disney cruise. Tonight, we're gonna pack. Tomorrow morning, we have to be off the boat by 9:30. So we're gonna probably skip breakfast, actually, and sleep a little longer. And then be done. Sad.
Yeah.
But it's been fun.
It's been a lot of fun.
And we'll cruise again soon.
Yep.